everyone, welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're talking about linear equations with multistep. Let's start. We have this problem that says x plus 11 plus 8x equals to 29. So the first thing that we need to do is to combine like terms. Okay, we have this x and this 8x. Okay, so that will be 9x, because both are added, plus 11 equals to 29. Okay, let's subtract 11 on both sides, and what we have, this 11 here will cancel out, and we'll have 9x equals to 29 minus 11 is 18. And now let's divide by 9 on both sides. So this 9 and this 9 will cancel out, and we have x equals to 18 divided by 9, which is 2. So this should be our answer. Now let's verify if this answer is correct in our equation. Okay, so here comes the verification. We have x plus 11 plus 8x equals to 29. So what we know now, that the value of each one of the x's here, right, needs to be substituted by what we found on the solution. Okay, this will be equals to, we'll have 2 plus 11 plus 8 times 2 equals to 29. Notice, and I'm going to use the color again, that we're using the 2 instead of the value of x. Okay, so let's continue. We have 2 plus 11, that should be 13, plus 8 times 2, that should be 16, equals to 29. And 13 plus 16 is 29, equals to 29, which is true. Therefore, the solution x equals to 2 is correct. Alright, thank you for watching, and remember, you can send your questions, send your problems, and we will be happy to create some content for you.